Hey, what up YouTube? It's your boy Jwash. Welcome back to Jwash TV. Today we got a double unboxing from Nike. What is it? Let's go. But before we get into that unboxing, guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone who copped the Jwash merch. That was my first drop, y'all, and y'all supported it to the top, man. I did not think that I would be able to get over 100 orders. It ended off with 107 orders, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who was able to cop my merch. And if you wasn't, I understand your situation. More merch is coming. I am actually working on a hoodie and a dad's hat, so y'all stay tuned for that. But thank you, everyone. I am going to Dallas to pick this up. The shirt's up Friday, and then I will start shipping it out. Y'all stay ready for that. And shout out to all the support y'all been giving me to the channel, too. I know I didn't drop a video last week, but your boy was busy trying to focus on all the merch, make sure all the orders are in place, and stuff like that. So, thank you for that. Now, all new subscribers, welcome to Jwash channel. And all my old heads, what's happening with y'all? So you know how we're going to get to it, man. We got a double unboxing, so I'm going to get straight into it, y'all. So let's go ahead and get 50 plus likes on this video right here. Y'all already know how I rock. 50 likes on every video. 50 plus is amazing right there. Make sure y'all leave a comment down and below. Let me know. Look, let's do a check-in. Everybody who rock with Jwash right now, let me know that you were in the comment section below. Let's get this comment section below, and let me know what y'all think about these shoes. But let's go. First, we have this box right here. Shout out to Nike for that. I don't know if that was Nike or FedEx, but y'all messed up this box. Absolutely. It's jacked up. So we're going to open this box first with my butter knife. I mean, I don't even know if you can mess it up any more than what it is already, right? Let's see if the box is messed up. That's inside. Absolutely destroyed. But when y'all see this box, y'all should already know what it is. Well, dang. But we don't buy shoes for the box. But that's crazy though, right? That's crazy. Alright, so if you guys don't know what these are the Jordan 3 Denims, size 12. I end up hitting on 2 pair of these. And it's crazy how Nike works. They want me to give me 2 pair of these, but they wouldn't give me something that I really like, that I really wanted. I mean, I wanted these, but you get the point. So let's go ahead and open this up. You got your paper with the elephant print in that denim colorway. We don't want no paper. We want the shoe, right? Let's get to the shoe. And boom, there you go. That is the Jordan 3 Denims with the Nike Air on the back. So this shoe looks like a couple of shoes. Fire red 3s, free throw line 3s, and some other ones. But I was like, you know what? I need it just because it has that denim on the print. So here you guys have it. Let me go ahead and open this other one real quick. So this is the one I will probably be keeping, just the fact that the box ain't tore up. So the other one is going straight back to Nike. Shout out to Holly Swoop for copping me 2 pairs, but that pair did not count. But this is the second pair right here, as y'all already know. Paper, same. This is going to be my personal pair. This is the one y'all guys are about to see on the foot. But the Jordan 3 Denims. So let's jump into this review real quick. There you have it right there, guys. That is the Jordan 3 Denims, all white around that. That is tumble leather. It's not super soft, but it's soft enough around the whole shoe. Here's your denim part right here on the toe box, and then you have your denim right here on that back tabs, and then you have your denim right there by the lace locks or the laces. I think that's the only denim, and then you have the denim down at that's black. So black right here on the traction pad, and then you got the red Nike at the bottom. Basic shoe. Basic, super basic, just 2 colors, 3 colors. Not too much to really talk about it on that, but that tumble leather is pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? This shoe was $200 with tax, $217. I think that 200 is because of this right here. That Nike Air right there. And then if you look real close, it has a Jumpman in between the Nike Air. I think that was one of the dope adds to this shoe right here. If you can't see, I'm sure you guys can see it, but that's Nike Air with the Jordan Jump logo. Just like this right here that you have in that red colorway right there. And then you get to the top of the ankle. You got black going around it, and then you have that red hitting off the back of the tongue. The tongue is super soft right here. Then you have that red hitting on the back of the tongue, and then in the back between the heel. But this shoe is super dope, man. I got a shoe that looks exactly like this besides the Nike Air. Let me grab it real quick. Here goes the free throw line. Nah, I'm just playing. But this shoe looks just like it. Just different elephant print on this one. This is the regular gray, and this is denim. But I was like, you know what? I don't have that denim in this. And plus, it comes with the Nike Air and not the Jumpman. So I was like, everything else is most likely same. Red tongue back there, red tongue back there. Just besides this right here in the different colors on the elephant print in the back of the red. And then this is the black. So there you guys have it right there. That is the Jordan 3 denims right there. I think this is a dope shoe. I wasn't trying to keep it like that. I wasn't even really going to go for it. But then I saw the Nike Air with the Jumpman. I turned it to an instant hype beast. So I'm going to go ahead and I was like, I'm going to cop it. I didn't think I would get 2 pairs. But you know what I'm saying? I end up getting 2 pairs. So the other one is going straight back to Nike today, actually. I'm going to take it to the outlet. And then I'm going to see what I can find up there. Then I'm heading to Dallas, like I said, to pick up the t-shirts. And then I think I got something special for you guys. Not sure yet. Don't quote me on it. So if you don't see it on the channel, that means I didn't get it. But it might be coming. So there you guys have it. I'm about to give y'all on feet on the Jordan 3 denims. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if you guys copped this or you didn't cop it, you passed, you waiting for another release, whatever the case might be. I think these are pretty dope in hand. So I'm going to keep this one, let the other one go. So let's go ahead and run this on feet. Make sure y'all hit 50 likes plus. Y'all been showing a lot of love to the channel. Appreciate you guys. I love you guys for that, man. 50 likes. Let me know in the comment section below if you're feeling these. Let me just know that you popping with J Wash right now in the comment section below. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.